Happy Friday, everyone. I just wanted to show you that I've learned how to thread, wind the bobbin, and also do a stitch out. This is my practice material that I've been working on all day. Look at all the mistakes that I've made. One of the things that I did learn with this machine, I made sure that my tension was between 3 and 4. And the length of my stitch is between 6 and 7. But before I go any further tonight, if you would smash that subscribe button so that you will be notified of any videos that I record, and also go ahead and like, share, and follow me. I would greatly appreciate it. You all are such great people, and I thank you so much for tuning in on a Friday night, because you could have been doing anything. So without further delay, let's go ahead and see what I've learned. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just push my fabric up and let my presser foot down, and I've done that. So, and I hope everything goes okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn the wheel towards me. And now what I am on is working on a white, this is the brand name, Treadle machine. Okay, so I'm just going to make a couple of stitches for myself just to get me started. And now I'm off away to the races. And I am just stitching along. And this is so much fun. I can get a workout and sew at the same time. Okay, so now I'm at the very end. I'm going to release my presser foot. And I want to show you my stitches. Oh, look at those stitches. Aren't they gorgeous? And then look at the back. Just as gorgeous as the front. People, guess what? This machine was free, and I love it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. Have a great evening. Bye.